Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to lock any app using shortcut. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to lock any app or any game in your iPhone using passcode or Face ID. First of all, we have to install the shortcut app. So go to your app store and simply search for shortcut, and all you have to need install the shortcut app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch your shortcut app, and from your shortcut home screen tap on automation, and now tap on new automation to create a new automation. Personal automation. Here scroll down, select app, and now we have to select the app that we want to lock. So tap on choose next to app, and now scroll down and search for the app that you want to lock. So I'm selecting here YouTube. If you want to lock multiple apps, all you have to need, select multiple apps from here and then tap on done. Once you select it, now here you have to select is opened and select run immediately and disable notify when run option, and then just tap on next. And here when any of two apps are opened, you have to select new blank automation, tap on add action, and in this search action box you have to type here lock screen and add this lock screen automation, and then just tap on done and you are ready to go. Now if I try to open any of the locked app, so let's open YouTube, and as you can see, whenever I try to open my YouTube or the locked app, my iPhone screen lock automatically. Now to unlock, I have to verify my Face ID or my passcode to use the lock app. So this is how we can easily lock apps, any app in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.